Hello, it's Spence, the evil genius, thrown to the laboratory with your lab secrets. Tip of the day. It's been a little while since our last post, but we have been busy. We've been producing new plans, new pricing, new partnerships, all designed to improve your experience when using the Lab Secret solution to launch your own social network and monetize today. Now, whether you want a full-blown social network, or you want a multi-site network of blogs, or even if you just want to go ahead and create a simple WordPress site, we've got a way for you to do it in the most optimized, efficient, and easy way possible. Let me show you a couple of things that we'll talk about and also introduce, best of all, Woo themes and other third-party premium themes are back at the Lab Secret solution. All right, let's get started with the plans and pricing. If you click over here at plans and pricing page, you'll see our new plans are very economical. You've got your solo plan, which is basically $24.99 a month with free installation. For $24.99 a month, you get free installation and setup of your WordPress site with BuddyPress installed. You get our lab dashboard and lab tools and one premium theme. Normally, those are the same themes that you would be buying from the likes of Woo Themes and others, and it's set up, most importantly, so it will work completely with BuddyPress and the Lab Secret solution. You've also got optimized VPS hosting and support via our partnerships, including that with WP Engine. Lastly, you've got the option to add on at any time any of our Lab Social plugin packs, quick deploy, or our Support Plus plan in case you need a little bit of help. Bottom line, though, is you can be up and running in less than 20 minutes usually with a full-blown site, social network enabled with a gorgeous theme, $25. No charge for installation. Now, the next step up is if you need a little bit more help and you want to put in all of our goodies, including the optional plugin packs and deploys. Most importantly, if you want unlimited access to all the great GPL third-party premium themes, you can go ahead to our Entrepreneur plan, which is just $49 a month and a one-time setup fee of $399 that encompasses the cost of all of those optional plugins. The last but not least is our unlimited plan, which is the multi-site setup. For just $4.99 one-time price and $99 a month, you can build your own empire of sites. Gives you the ability to run unlimited blogs and WordPress sites for yourself, or even to sell the sites to your particular members. Now, we've always, in the bottom part here, offered our free lab dashboard. If you already have your own WordPress site and know what you're doing, grab the free lab dashboard and install it. You'll get access, of course, to our great lab theme framework, our lab tools, and the other options that come as part of our contribution to the open source community. Now, what else is exciting? Well, premium themes are back. For those of you who are subscribers to our Entrepreneur or Unlimited plans, you have unlimited access to all of the themes that you would like to test out and try to be installed on your site. Over here, I'm going to take you to a sample site we've set up for one of our customers, Network Pets. We've set him up with this gorgeous canvas theme made to look just like the one he came from. And in this particular case, it has all the other tools, many of which make the Lab Secret solution unique. First of all, he's of course got the lab videos. Now, one of the things that BuddyPress is lacking right out of the box is great multimedia management. With our lab videos, lab photos, you're able to handle this as easy as anything. And if you click over here, you can see that we've got a Vimeo video embedded right here, and it runs in sight. Now, you got ratings, you got the ability to go ahead and check reviews as well as to share it with other people. But most importantly, and the best part, is it creates an immediate library that can be indexed and used amongst all the members on your site. Now, grabbing a video from Vimeo or from YouTube or any of the other 30 providers is as simple as going and picking one you like, and then grabbing, not the embed code, just grab the URL. If I wanted to add it right here, I'd go ahead and say add video. Click and paste it in. And in just a couple seconds, it gets the metadata that goes along with it. I can edit it if I want to, or just click update. And now I've added the video. That video itself is attributed to me, and it can also be put into a private group. What's best of all, though, is that it's shared within my social network here using BuddyPress and the Lab Secret solution. Same is true for photos. The photos have their own management, very similar, where you can go ahead and create your own private albums, public albums, or group albums. If I wanted to go ahead to my albums and add an image, it's as simple as going there, clicking add photo, grabbing it from my desktop. So let's click on the button. Add a dog picture for the dog network. It uploads, asks me to add some metadata if I like, tags, description, whatever I want, and who I want to share it with. And I'll just click Save Changes. Now we've added to our multimedia library. The best part about it is these are full-size images, so they can be shared and you don't lose the resolution. Now, in addition to that, we've of course got our lab goals, we've got Lab Protect and Lab Photo Booth, some of the other fun stuff that's available as part of our Lab Social Plugin Pack, as well as the fact you've got all the back-end goodness that comes from using the Woo themes. Now, the Canvas theme is a great first start. They've released it as a child theme. We offer it to you as either a child theme or as a parent theme. And what's nice about it is it's got this wonderful back-end Woo framework that lets you do a ton of modification without being a developer. Since it's all BuddyPress compatible, you don't have to worry about whether or not you're going to have the social network, because it will work whether or not you do. You can add your logo, the fav icon, tracking code, etc. And of course, going through all of these options allow you to set up some unique things. Let me give you a quick example. One of the things about using Lab Videos is the fact that you can watch a video across the entire width of the page. Now, in this case, we've got it set up as a simple 2-column. With the framework from Woo, all I need to do is go over here to the layout. If I wanted, I could change it to a full width layout across all pages, or I could click on it and do a left column alignment, double column right, etc., whichever works out best. Now, in this particular case, I can also add footer widget areas, which means I can have none, I can have one big one, 2, 3, 4. Really simple to work with, and I can always tweak them a little bit using CSS. So in this case, what if I wanted to make it sort of a full width cinema type experience? Well, one way I could do it is I can go to the main layout here, and I can change this to not a 2-column layout, but to a single column layout. And you'll notice that the plugin will adapt. And now we've got a full width cinema. Best of all is, even though the default setting is that the video is going to show at about 500 pixels, I could just easily modify that by going into my default settings for Lab Secrets, click over on the plugins, My Plugins, and I'm going to click on Lab Videos. And here, when I do Lab Videos, I can adjust the width of that page. I should say the width of the video. From 563, let's make it something more like 900. Save the settings, refresh the page, and now I should have a very cinematic experience for my viewers. Really cool, super simple, designed for entrepreneurs and not developers. If you're curious and want to get started same day without being a technical person and without being an expert in WordPress, come over to labsecrets.com. Just $25 and no obligations beyond the first month. You can be rocking and rolling. This is Spence, the evil genius, from Widget Laboratory.